Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make avocado roti. We can also call it as a avocado tepla. This is a very healthy recipe. We make this with avocados. These are avocados, right? So we make with this, and also whole wheat flour. So take the whole wheat flour. I'm taking 2 cups of whole wheat flour. So take the avocados and cut into the half this way, and you can take out the seed easily. Just do it and tilt it, it will come out easily. So now take a spoon and you can take out avocado like this. Now let's add all the spices to this one. So take 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, one teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and add salt to taste. Little bit garam masala. It's optional. If you don't like garam masala, you can skip it. I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala. Turmeric powder. Two teaspoons of turmeric powder. If you don't turmeric, you can just put a little bit. Up to you. Now we mix it well to a fine dough to make the roti and chapati, right? We will mix it with hand by adding warm water. Make sure you add warm water. So before adding water, make sure you mix all these ingredients very well. Add warm water. Add little bit of olive oil so that it will not stick into the hands and it will become smooth. So take an iron pan to fry that chapatis and put it on the stove. Meantime, we can roll our chapatis. So I made like this small balls. We can roll them now. So take the ball like this and put the dry flour and roll it into the chapati. So roll like this for all of them. Our pan is heated. Now let's fry that paratha. Make sure to fry this both sides. Put little bit oil or ghee, butter. This is also optional. If you don't like, don't add it. Roti is perfectly cooked. Now it's ready to take out. And let's do the other one. We'll add the other. So same way, fry all of them. Now it's tasting time. So we can take this with curds, any pickle. I am taking with the lemon pickle today. Or you can just eat by itself. take a little bit of pickle, dip into the curds. Tastes good, very good. And it's healthy too, right? So and in the middle you can bite a onion. It's yummy actually. You don't feel that there is avocado in it. It is spicy also because we add all spices, right? Thank you all for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all. Bye.